What is happening? Welcome back to another video. My little nephew, he's in town for a week. We're gonna load up the 110 and the upgraded youth and take him out for a ride. So let's load some bikes up, we'll go pick him up and hit the trails. Got the 110 loaded up. Last night was the first time I started that thing in like 6 to 12 months and first kick, no drama. So hopefully it runs all right out there. You psyched for a ride?
Yeah.
Ew.
In the bag.
Is that your bag?
No.
Whoa! Are you okay?
No.
We don't have enough safety gear for you, do we, mate? Show us your elbow. Oh, a bit of skin off. Are you good?
Good.
I don't think we're ready to come up that yet. I didn't think you were going to follow me. Jump on the back. Oh, I bet it hurts. Jesus, not the ideal start to the ride, but that happens. Yeah, these ruts are just a little too big for those 110 wheels. All right, let's see if we can find a little jump in here. Now, mate said there were some good jumps out here, but oh yeah, that looks like one. And into that. It's just got a sketchy run in, super loose and rocky. I'm now just making excuses. Whoa, oh, not bad, not bad. Just need to go a bit quicker. Let's clean it up. Woo. Yeah, that's better. Nice. This is a fun little spot. Definitely going to be coming back here. There you go, man. Let's see it. Rip it. Woo. Bit of a case. Still being a pussy. Give us a go on the 110. I haven't ridden this thing in a long time. It's probably almost a year. I won't be able to ride it. It's got a nice bent brake lever now. I'm used to the rear brake on the Ron. I forgot I got a foot brake again. I'm gonna flip this thing for sure. Oh my God. This thing does not feel right to ride. Oh my God. This feels so foreign. That is crazy. I used to ride this thing every week. Ever since getting the Rons, this just hardly gets touched. I feel so freaking ungo on it. The drum brakes don't work at all. I need to get the other camera out and get some third person shots of me riding this because I am loose, no control, and it'll be a good laugh. I am out of control on this thing. I'm going to stay off this freaking thing because I cannot ride it anymore. I feel so unco on it. The geometry of the Surron is so much more stable for an adult. They're just so twitchy, those little tyres. See, that is basically a stock Surron X, and they're pretty capable. They are good fun. Don't think you have to get one just to upgrade it straight away. They are still a solid little beast. All this has got on it is forks because I picked them up really cheap. Otherwise, I was just going to run the D&Ms on it. Still got the D&M rear shock, and yeah, it's holding up sick. Oh, stop up here. She's a mud pit. All right, jump off. Don't hit that throttle. We'll be in the mud.
And these are my school shoes.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Lucky you're on school holidays. All right, let go of the brake.
Thanks for watching and subscribe.
So, we'll catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
You! I'd say it's after 5 now.
It was fun today. We went on heaps of trails and Uncle Zach kept doing jump, and it was super fun going on the trails except for the mud pit. There was like a really big mud pile. We thought it was so funny.